Welcome to this lesson on trigonometry. Today, we are going to look at a very specific and dangerous trap that students fall into when solving trigonometric equations: extraneous solutions caused by squaring. Let's say you encounter an equation like sine of x plus cosine of x equals 1. You cannot simply use the Pythagorean identity right away because the terms are not squared. A common strategy is to square both sides to create those squared terms. But here is the warning. When you square an equation, you often generate extra solutions that are not valid. Think of the simple equation x equals 3. If we square it, we get x squared equals 9. But if we solve that new equation, we get x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. That negative 3 is an extraneous solution. It appeared because of the squaring process. Let's apply this to a real problem. We want to solve sine of x plus 1 equals cosine of x for values of x between 0 and 2 pi. Notice we cannot easily combine sine and cosine here. Our first step is to square both sides. Be careful with your algebra here. On the left side, sine of x plus 1 all squared becomes sine squared x plus 2 sine x plus 1. It is a perfect square trinomial. On the right, we simply get cosine squared x. Now we can use our identities. We want the equation to have only one type of trigonometric function. We can replace cosine squared x on the right side with 1 minus sine squared x using the Pythagorean identity. Now we simplify. We move everything to one side. The ones cancel out, and we add sine squared x to both sides, giving us 2 sine squared x plus 2 sine x equals 0. We can factor out 2 sine x, which leaves us with two possibilities. Either sine of x is 0 or sine of x is negative 1. Let's find the angles that satisfy these conditions on the unit circle. For sine of x equals 0, our angles are 0 and pi. For sine of x equals negative 1, our angle is 3 pi over 2. So we have three candidates: 0, pi, and 3 pi over 2. This is the most important step. We must check these three candidates in the original equation. Let's check 0. Sine of 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. Cosine of 0 is 1. 1 equals 1, it works. Now let's check pi. Sine of pi is 0 plus 1 is 1, but cosine of pi is negative 1. 1 does not equal negative 1, so pi is an extraneous solution. Finally, checking 3 pi over 2 works as well. So, our final valid solution set contains only 0 and 3 pi over 2. Remember, whenever you square both sides of an equation, you must verify your final answers against the original equation to remove any extraneous solutions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.